Today's video is on the top 3 best robot vacuum cleaners in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 3, best budget, iRobot Roomba, $694. If you are looking for a robot vacuum cleaner that gets the job done perfectly without breaking the bank, you should consider the iRobot Roomba, $694. The more than 22,000 reviews on Amazon, most of which are positive, underscore the value you will get from this fairly priced yet effective robot vacuum cleaner. When I first took it out of the box, it looked simplistic, but boy was I wrong. This device will take vacuuming off your mind with its cleaning suggestions, thanks to its iRobot OS unique intelligence. And after a few uses, I noticed this thing learns your cleaning habits and routines, so it will clean those areas you regularly mess up. Cool, right? I like its 3-stage cleaning function. The vacuum will lift dirt and debris from your hard floors and carpets. There is an edge sweeping brush that will clean the edges and corners, and then there is an auto adjust cleaning head that adapts its head automatically to clean your carpets and floors effectively. The manufacturer points out that the iRobot Roomba comes with their patented dirt detect technology that helps it to auto-detect dirtier parts of your house and clean them more thoroughly. Perhaps this is the reason this vacuum would spend more time around my dog's feeding spot. What's more, with the iRobot Home app, you can use Voice Assistant and tell the robot what to do, and it immediately gets to work. It also comes with a host of sensors that allow it to easily navigate areas along edges and under furniture. However, this robot vacuum mop comes with 2 main downsides. I found it a bit loud, and it doesn't come with a carrying handle. Number 2, Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Now, if you want a smart robot vacuum cleaner with many standout features, this is the perfect choice. It's no wonder it has just under 30,000 reviews on Amazon. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum has incredible suction power. I put it to the test with different types of messes. From liquid messes to debris and dirt in rugs, there is nothing this device couldn't suction. I must admit its mopping features are outstanding. The suction power itself makes it great for anyone looking for an all-in-one robot vacuum cleaner. This device comes with a feature dubbed Matrix Clean Navigation, which allows it to clean in a precision matrix grid, passing multiple times over tough dirt and debris. Another feature I liked is its self-cleaning function. The Shark has a self-cleaning brush roll. This saves you a lot of time you would otherwise spend cleaning it. Thanks to its 360-degree LiDAR vision, this vacuum mop quickly and accurately mapped my living room, and I noticed that it would clean methodically and avoid objects in its way. It also easily adapts to any changes you may make in your home. I like the fact that the Shark comes with hands-free control. You can initiate on-demand cleaning, activate cleanse, or set a cleaning schedule, all with your voice using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. The vacuum cleaner also empties itself, and its bagless base can hold up to 60 days of debris and dirt. While it initially had navigation issues and could occasionally get stuck on certain obstacles like door jams, I think the Shark is among the best smart robot vacuum cleaners on the market today. Number 1, our pick, Roborock SS7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This just had to be the best robot vacuum cleaner on this list, because apart from innovation, this robot vacuum cleaner offers convenience and effectiveness, taking vacuuming to the next level. Now, Roborock has been one of the leading manufacturers of the most innovative and autonomous robot vacuums for years, and the S7 Max Ultra is among the most advanced product in their line. This device can vacuum and mop your floors simultaneously with very minimal human intervention. The S7 Max Ultra comes with a 5,500 Pascal of suction hyperforce. With this kind of suction power, this machine can clean anything on its way. It is enhanced with a floating rubber brush that helps it stay close to uneven floors, so it cleans effectively. I find this very innovative. When I tested the S7 Max Ultra, I quickly noticed that easily detects and avoids obstacles on the floor. It even suggests no-go zones to avoid being stuck in tight spots or even falling down the stairs by accident. This makes it perfect for people with crowded living spaces or multiple level houses. Another excellent feature of the S7 Max Ultra is the auto mop lifting, which allows it to tell the difference between carpets and floors, so it lowers or lifts automatically for the ultimate mop or vacuum. This robot vacuum cleaner is also compatible with Alexa, and with the Roborock app, you can receive updates on your phone on the estimated accessory replacement times. While this vacuum cleaner is quite expensive, given the features it comes with and what it offers, I would say it is a worthwhile investment. You wanted the best, you got it. That's it for the top 3 best robot vacuum cleaners of 2024. For more product info, check the affiliate links in our website, toppick3.com. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.